Okay, so now I'm back to the astroturf.
Okay.
And what was say, per the Yatsi won, and that's what Ministry of Sports, astroturf no boarding. The astroturf. I mean, where I'm coming from, there are about almost 5 astroturf there. And you're in charge of you happen to be my boss. So, how much they spend on astroturf now, single-handedly, you are not a buying you are not petition via woman now. Yes, I know.
Akufo-Addo is not my father. No.
And it's not. You say you say, hey, ubetimi ayampara. Now obeya. Kaya dasui. Hey, break you down.
No.
Tell us more. I mean, we want to see you.
In the beginning, when the idea came, and I went to the I went to the Tadiem Park with my uncle, and Engineer John from the Assembly escorted us, and Kwesi Pong Jaru, the journalist, he also came with us as well. And they were telling me about the drains, that when it rains, it floods at Tadiem. And most people try to do this particular project, but they were not successful. And it's my hope that Mampong gets a football club or team. I want to be proud of someone that, yes, my brother is playing for Chelsea, or playing for Arsenal, or playing for the Black Stars even, or playing for, even we have our own team, because I bought my bankroller the last time I did a gala a few months back. So I bought my bankroller, and he recruited some people, I think 2 people.
Chelsea.
For Brekum Chelsea, Amofa Jantwa.
Okay.
That's my brother.
Okay.
Very close friend. Just friends, though.
Okay. I see.
So I have a lot of people that I know that are in that type of level that can help. And so I always look at myself, what can I do to solve a problem? My dad said, if you want to be rich in life, solve problems.
I see. How much overspending or money? Like you said,
they said 60 billion. I think maybe 6 billion.
6 billion.
I think.
Yeah.
I think it's around there.
Yeah, around 6 billion.
6 billion. But I'm hoping, I would have loved to have used community labor, but people can't work for free. But maybe discounted, because the park is for the community.
Yeah.
It's not for me.
So, who your project today to say now? One project is community. We need to get them involved so that the okay, we say saying the bebwa community no. Only among comedian course saying, are they going to help? And I say, Wafa laborers will be a fabra, never you hand over and a cover.
The last thing that what you said, they want me to go get the laborers, go get everything. They're supportive, as in whatever you need, Mitawachi. But how I get it is my own problem. If I'm getting a concrete mixer, I need to pay for it. If I'm getting the concrete boxes, how I get it, my own problem. How much it is, I have to pay for it. If it becomes wasted and we don't want it, thank you. And so the handing over, I believe I will invite the community, the media, and hand over. And I wouldn't get any 1 peso from it, but it's a community park.
Okay, so such project, okay, yeah, they are my community. Yeah, hand over near them. The community name come. The BBM on come 1 hour you'll be there. Assembly no swear. Because at the end of the day, also we are talking about National First Authority. We know what these people are capable of doing. As you are talking, they are fighting Takwansa Youth Assembly over TNA. TNA now go for the voice in a year papa like Wahano. Assembly is off a mom. The last time I went there, Now call to say na so you have been. So I said they want to mark of a good face waiting over there. So you know definitely they'll come here.
Wow.
Yes. So assembly no on the National Sports Authority for the years man. What are they going to
I don't know what about National Sports Authority,
okay.
But the assembly, everything, they gave me the green light. And the community also gave me the green light. And Nananonom also gave the green light. And Nananom, who's looking over the lake at Tadiem Park, also gave me the green light. So, but I have not heard about the Sports Authority.
So let's who challenge our face was apart from say one hour for laborers, 1 hour for you. Let's know some of the challenges we are and would you like to make any appeal to the people?
Okay.
Some don't want to be more because
wow.
you give it to them.
Thank you. If there's some people out there within the Mampong area that would like to help, and when I say help, not financial, but if you have a carpenter or you are a carpenter or a mason or even a laborer, I would like you to come over. And maybe you earn something small for me since there's no jobs there. So this will be that plea that I would like to extend. And if the Sports Authority have a new idea or way for me to do things to cut down on cost, would be great. But right now I'm tackling the drains. Because you see there's houses in front and they said the sewer and the wastewater always enter their bedrooms. And that's also another sanitation issue. So today, so many people coming to thank me that I can do the drains for them.
Even nothing at all. Drainage
is even enough.
But
yes.
the little advice maybe I can give you say, I don't know no project instead of a National Sports Authority or even under the Ministry of Sports, right?
Yeah.
I believe you contact the assembly to the Sports Authority. Those more technical men met me aboard with okay, I deal with. The yen is so that we'll be you and come and say we seek a waste. Because the way about it, you know, not be afford to be a bahn. Now, a whole massive sports stadium, yes, your mobile, you are not buying that. So, in order for your Usika uncle waste, and yet too late, through the assembly, Sports Authority, right?
Yeah.
They can bring down the technical men, give you that support to know, okay, say. Maybe you can even cut down.
Yeah, Engineer John at the Mampong Assembly has given me a blueprint, a plan. So there are several architectural designs and plans with different feet and so forth on it. So that's there. And he comes there to personally ensure the safety and what I'm doing is correct. Well, construction company.
And then how they hear.
Yes, but it's the same thing. It's me that's still doing.
Okay, so Mama.
Are you having an idea after construction of the hospital that you establish it in because we have stated to us that you are having a cordial relationship with some scouts who can come in and send players outside. Are you having some idea like that?
I would like to, but in the end, I just want to hand it over to the community.
Okay, for now, what did they hear? So we know the community.
Yes.
It's all better to crown.
Yeah, that's not in my mind, but I would like a team to come. Maybe later on, they can revert back to me, and I'll be more than happy to do a team. But right now, I want to quickly get the park completed.
Okay, I see. So. As for the community, I think.
So, which type of hospital?
I think there's some types. The artificial grass or the natural one, and most people are pleading with me to do the natural one, but I haven't decided. Later on, I want the community to decide. So I want to finish the drains, get to the level of the filling, and then from there, I'll let the community decide, since it's a community project.
Yeah. That's the reason why now I can say get the second comment on that, because I know say oh yes, Robert need say yeah. Or yeah program right. Yeah, cost 1, 2, 3. Just my eventually say and also no who come say yeah be we jam my community now kwa they say grand na nya de obi agbo we jam na we na say yeah. The best say blame yeah cry. Oh yeah cry na can you better so I mean drainage na dey mo show mo ye bibia. I wish you get those things come to come.
Yeah, I have it. People from Kofi Job are there. So it's not like I'm just me, idea. No. The technical people are there. Yeah.
Okay, so
I'm just financing the project.
So,
you say, yeah.